Is your VPN really protecting you? Or is it leaking your private information? That's what we're tackling today with one of the most trusted names in the business, Mullvad VPN. We're going to dive deep into whether Mullvad suffers from DNS or IPv6 leaks, and what that means for your online privacy. What are DNS and IPv6 leaks? First, let's quickly break down what we're even talking about. A DNS leak happens when your device sends a DNS request to your Internet Service Provider's ISP server instead of through the secure VPN tunnel. This is a huge problem because it reveals your browsing activity to your ISP, completely defeating the purpose of using a VPN. Then you have IPv6 leaks. Most of the Internet still uses the older IPv4 protocol, but more and more websites and services are adopting IPv6. If your device supports IPv6 but your VPN doesn't, your IPv6 traffic can bypass the VPN tunnel and expose your real IP address. Mullvad's protection against leaks. So, how does Mullvad hold up? In short, very well. Partying face. Mullvad's desktop and mobile applications are designed to prevent both DNS and IPv6 leaks. The app's built-in kill switch and DNS leak protection features are enabled by default and are always on. This ensures all your traffic is routed through Mullvad's own non-logging DNS servers, meaning your browsing activity is never exposed. For IPv6, Mullvad's app disables IPv6 by default on your operating system to prevent any leaks from happening. Mullvad's app will not route IPv6 traffic over the tunnel unless you specifically enable it in the app settings. Even then, they have a secure system in place to prevent leaks. This is a very secure approach because it proactively prevents any chance of your IPv6 address from being exposed. It's important to remember that these protections are for the official Mullvad applications. When using Mullvad with third-party software like a router, you must ensure that your configuration is set up correctly to prevent these leaks. Can Mullvad ever leak? While Mullvad is exceptionally secure, leaks can still happen due to specific user configurations or software glitches. For instance, some users have reported temporary DNS leaks when using third-party software like Tailscale or on certain Android versions. Also, some web browsers have their own secure DNS settings that can override the VPN's DNS servers, causing a leak. The key takeaway here is that when using the official Mullvad app, you're very well protected. They've built their service with security and privacy as the top priority. If you're ever concerned, you can use Mullvad's own connection check tool or other third-party websites to test for leaks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.